let's go ahead and install an update to Java now. Same thing, I'm just gonna go ahead and download Java. Go here, go to download. Yep, this will get you the most up-to-date one, 845. Agree and download. Alright, so once you've got that downloaded, you're gonna wanna double-click on your application executable file and agree to install. Follow through. It's gonna do this. Just leave it alone, let it keep going. Okay, I've successfully installed. And this will come up asking you to verify. And this is saying that, hey, your default browser is Google Chrome. Well, Google Chrome no longer supports Java, so I'm going to run over to Internet Explorer and go to java.com/verify, and it's going to tell me, yes, your Java's working, this is what version it is. So yes, we'll run this. Okay, so yes, I have recommended Java 8 version 45 and it works. So that's all you need to do.